go! As both the blue lines and the red lines make their way over to the center of the field, the 4-6-9 lining up to get a hash panel on as the sandstorm comes up. Let's see what these teams are able to do in this qualification match in these next 130 seconds. 4-6-9 trying to make their way back over to their human feeder station to pick up another hash panel or a cargo ball. As 26-12 zips over to the blue alliance, try to play a little bit of defense on 77-16. 77-16 lining up over in the center of their cargo bay to try to line up and drop a cargo ball back into their cargo bay. But 26-12 is playing some pretty tough defense on them. 26-12 pushing them away. Let's see what their alliance partners are able to do. Meanwhile, over on the red alliance, we have team 54-36, the Cybercats, lining up to pick up another hatch panel over at their far side of the red alliance. Let's see what they're able to do as they bring that hatch panel back over to the center of the field, while the opposing alliance, team 65-32, play some defense on the Cybercats, preventing them from dropping off a hatch panel over at the cargo bay as Cybercats make their way over to their rocket to try to drop off a hatch panel at the rocket. Oh, but they don't have a hatch panel anymore, so they're making their way back over to their human feeder station to pick up another hatch panel. As 77-16 lines up over on the blue alliance to try to pick up a ball so that they can maybe take that over to their cargo bay. Let's see what these teams are able to do as Cybercats line up to drop a hatch panel off over at their rocket. 4-6-9, Las Gorillas drop a cargo ball into their cargo bay zone as they make their way back over to their human feeder station. And they're trying to pick up a ball. 4-6-9 picks up another ball as they make their way back over to the cargo bay as their alliance partner, 7-7-16, have a ball, and they spit that ball right back out as they line up to go and pick up another hatch panel, potentially, over at their human feeder station. Meanwhile, 26-12 trying to play some defense off 4-6-9 as 4-6-9 lines up to try to drop off a cargo ball into their mid-cargo bay section of their blue alliance. Over on the red alliance, the red tails are trying to pick up a ball so that they can maybe take it back over to their cargo bay with 20 seconds left to go on the clock. Cybercats are climbing on to level 2. 26-12 making their way, and they're set at half 1. Over on the blue alliance, both the blue alliance teams are on half 1 as 4-6-9 lines up and tries to make their way onto their half zone with 3, 2, 1, go. As time expires on qualification match number 31. Waiting for the head refs' approval to clean up this field as we proceed on to the next qualification match. And we're ready to announce these scores. Let's see the scores for qualification match number 31. And this qualification match goes to the Red Alliance with a score of 50-41.